The HydroSense 2410, 3410, and FluoroCheck 2 use fluorescence to target the hydrocarbon oil in your process stream. Fluorescence is a long-proven laboratory technique for analytical science, and ARJAY brings this science to the field through our unique products. The fluorescence approach is based on the principle that few specific molecules have the unique ability to absorb light energy at one wavelength and instantly release this energy at a higher wavelength. Hydrocarbons are amongst these molecules that fluoresce. Each will have its own unique absorption wavelength and emission wavelength. This is called a peak signature. By filtering both the excitation wavelength and the emission wavelength, ARJAY is able to exclude fluorescing compounds in the stream that are not within the oil signature. The fluorescence approach is able to target dissolved and free oils in your sample. This assures that your water is fully monitored to meet your particular process or environmental requirements. Fluorescence is not affected by the scattering effect of non-petroleum oils such as vegetable or fish oils, or by particles or other contaminants in the water that are not desired to be measured. Not all components of the oil fluoresce. The fluorescing molecules are those that contain the benzene ring in their structure. These are called aromatics. In particular, the polyaromatic carbons yield a good fluorescence. The intensity of fluorescence energy detected in the sample is directly proportional to the concentration of hydrocarbons. A site calibration is done to provide a measurement that correlates the aromatic reading to a total oil reading. This total oil reading is determined against the laboratory method of your choice. Since there could be other variables in the process that might affect the reading of any field instrument, it is important to understand the technology of your instrument and interpret the data accordingly. The ARJAY fluorescence approach minimizes these variables while monitoring for both soluble and free oils. The result is a reliable and accurate indication of your process and stream conditions.